Welcome to Into the Unknown, where we discuss our reality's deepest mysteries.
In today's episode of Into the Unknown, using the Edgar Cayce readings, we will be discussing aluminum and its possible effects on our health. Aluminum is a lightweight and corrosion-resistant metal. It has played a transformative role in human history, evolving from a rare and precious material to an indispensable component of modern life. Discovered in the early 19th century, aluminum has since become ubiquitous in various industries and everyday products, showcasing its versatility and adaptability. In the early 1800s, aluminum was considered more valuable than gold due to its scarcity and the challenging extraction process. However, with advancements in metallurgical techniques, the cost of production decreased, making aluminum more accessible to a broader population. It has seamlessly integrated into everyday life. We can find aluminum in so many products, like pots and pans. But, should we be cooking in it? A century ago, the renowned Edgar Cayce, often regarded as the most accurate and documented psychic of his time, shared insights pertaining to the use of aluminum in cookware. In particular, Cayce issued a cautionary note, advising against the use of aluminum for cooking. According to the readings, it could potentially lead to harmful effects in the majority of individuals.
The body has found such in regard to those conditions in which food is prepared. Some it will never hurt to have prepared in aluminum, but in most people it gradually builds something not compatible with the better conditions in the body forces. This is with certain types of food. Those which are acid will take particles of aluminum into the body.
Recently, there has been ongoing research on the link between aluminum exposure and neurodegenerative diseases. Aluminum has been found to accumulate in the brain tissues of individuals with Alzheimer's disease. It has also been found in the urine of people with multiple sclerosis. Science suggests that this accumulation may be involved in the pathological processes associated with these conditions. Fortunately, we live in a time where we have many choices available, and we don't have to use aluminum for cooking.
Preferably an enamelware with an enamel top. Not aluminum or tin, but either earthen or iron, as the iron kettle or brass covered with glass, but preferably the enamel, that has no broken portions in the bottom of same.
Thank you for watching Into the Unknown, where we discuss the mysteries of our universe. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like, so you won't miss any of our episodes.